Hello and welcome to Records Rebuild. So I just wanted to make a video. Actually, I'm in a forest in the middle of China right now. So who knows if this video ever sees the light of day. The Chinese government is not a big fan of Google and YouTube. But wanted to make a prediction video for the C8 ZR1 release later today. And so it's going to have an engine called the LT7. That engine is going to be cross-plane crank. That probably means the red line will be around, I'm guessing 7,500 to 8,000 RPMs instead of the higher 8,600 with the flat plane crank in the Z06. I think it will have AFM, active fuel management, so it'll have either probably cylinder deactivation that turns half the engine off. None of us like that for reliability reasons, but I think that's going to be in there. I think maybe a cool new color. They're doing something weird with the colors right now. They've eliminated a few of them, so I think one has to be reintroduced with the ZR1 is what I'm thinking. So we'll see if that ends up coming true. What else? Oh, it will not have an electric drive for the front wheels. That is going to come with the Zora. The Zora will have the electric drive on the front wheels. I think that's everything I can think of. So those are my predictions. I'm predicting, let's do 151,000 for base price, and let's go with 860 horsepower. I'm going to be an optimist. So put your guesses in the comments down below, and we'll see who gets the closest to getting it right. And I'm super pumped. I don't think I'm going to get one of those, but I'm super pumped to watch the video, and I know you guys all are too. So I'll see you later.